Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rukmanichoudhary and you're watching Everyday Health SL. This topic is Aesculus, Pentarkan, PTK drops, homeopathy medicine. So let's talk about the indication first. In which problem you can use this medicine and what are the benefits of this medicine. The common indications are the piles, hemorrhoids, and these can be blind without bleeding, and these can be bleeding hemorrhoids, means you can have blood while passing a stool, and varicosis means varicose vein and related problem. So these are the chief indication. Now the best well proven remedies, best ingredients, best composed medicine, composition part, best composed medicine, well proven homeopathy medicine, piles, hemorrhoids and varicose vein problem. So let's talk. Aesculus is the medicine in homeopathy that works in where you have the piles, hemorrhoids and there is back related issues. So in these kind of symptoms you can take Aesculus independently or it's mixed in this medicine. Next comes Arnica montana. So Arnica, you have heard Arnica in injury cases when you have internal injuries, but Arnica equally works on venous injury, means your veins are affected. There can be bleeding and discoloration. When there is a swelling and the pain or scaly discoloration. Calcarea floor. Calcarea floor also works in cases bleeding hemorrhoids and internal hemorrhoids, external hemorrhoids, and this works amazing in fissure cases. Fissures means there's cut around an area, so you can have long cut, there is a long crack, and these are like fissures. So calcarea floor works in like fissures, even varicose vein, varicose ulcer. So if there's ulcer formation, so cardus marinovus. So cardus marinovus in homeopathy is given when you have hard stool. There is a hard stool, so it is that hard that there is a straining and stress, and you have prolapse of rectum, means your rectal part that comes out. So you have prolapse cases. So in these kind of cases, you can take cardus marinovus, hard stool, prolapse, painful defecation, in collinsonia. So collinsonia again works in constipation, piles, and sometimes there is diarrhea. So these things like constipation, diarrhea and piles. So in these kind of cases, collinsonia works amazing. So the chief indication, the major indications are piles. These can be internal piles, can be external piles, bleeding, non-bleeding, blind piles, and there can be fissure as well, hemorrhoids, and related symptoms with the piles. You have the mucus around the anus area. There can be redness, itchiness sometimes, and painful defecation, and swollen area, and mucus is coming out. So these things associated with piles. And varicosis, like these are varicose vein and varicose ulcer, and symptom related with these kind of things. Like you have, usually these things are found like varicose vein in obesity kind of patients, and they have, the obesity, and there is a straining, long sitting, long standing. So there is a swollen feet, swollen ankle, and there is a discoloration, tortuous vein. There is a bluish discoloration and tortuous vein, and with that they have itching even. There is a itchy, scaly around the skin. So these things will be associated in varicose vein. So these are the indications, chief indication and the best ingredients. Now the doses completely depends on your condition. So you can have 15 or 20 drops. 15 or 20 drops in some lukewarm water, and just have it 2 or 3 times in a day before having your meal. And if your case is severe, means you're having painful defecation, there is a pain, fissures. So in these kind of cases, and even cracks can be there. So you can even increase medicine's quantity. You can take 4, even 6 times in a day. Use it regularly to see the better result. It is 175 rupees. 175 rupees is the MRP, and that may vary with the time obviously. And if you're watching on YouTube, you may find medicines link in description box below, and you can buy medicine from there and you can use any homeopathic medicine. So you may find these medicine only on homeopathic pharmacy or online homeopathic store, Doctor Clinic. As these are homeopathy medicines, so these are not available on general pharmacy or general store. So hopefully this video can give you some amount of help. If you find this video knowledgeable, informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notification. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much.